Final notice in the mail, they cutting off the gas. Boiling water every night just to watch my seeing mama struggle down to a last. So
YouTube, what's the word? It's your boy back again, man. So we should call this episode 1. Alright, so look up. See this? This is what we're gonna be working on today. Sanding this stuff down and potentially putting paint on it. But we don't know that. Well, yeah, let's just start here. Let's just start with this first. Alright, here we go. We're gonna sand this stuff down, y'all. When it's smoothed out, we're gonna come back and holler at y'all. Stay tuned.
Yo, so it was crazy because it was a lot more sanding than I thought it was gonna be. So it actually took me a little while longer. It's gonna take me a little while longer. I'm probably not gonna finish till tomorrow, but good thing we're doing daily uploads, so stay tuned. But yeah, we can get back to the video.
Alright, so I've been using my sander. Let me see what kind of sander this is. What I've been using, man. It's coming along pretty good. I got a mask on, so that's probably why y'all can hear me good. But it's coming along pretty good. I'm sanding it down. It's taking me longer than what I thought it was gonna take, you know. I don't got that much more to go. Yes, I do. Alright, I'm gonna pick this thing back up in a minute. What's the word, YouTube? Right now, Tamika moving everything. So, as you can see, I've been sanding. Pretty much done with that room, sanding wise. This room pretty much done. We have to sand these little, just little stuff in here. We're gonna float this wall right here. And retape. I need to retape too. But yeah, it's coming together, man. Look a little different from yesterday, huh? I wish I could go back there. Let me see, I'm gonna try.
Days later.
Alright, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? It's still kind of smoky and dusty in here, y'all, so. Yeah, came out pretty good. Not this, though. Let's do that. So you guys actually get to see like the progress and how much time some stuff takes. It definitely take time. Definitely take time. So yeah, stay tuned, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. More videos on the way. I gotta go meet up with my guy Tyran at the time for light. I know it's dark in here. Gonna meet up with my guy Tyran, do some taxes.
Days later.
Found all the paint we want. This is the same thing. Yo, we got what we needed. On to the house we go. I got 2 haircuts to do. And then we're gonna start doing that painting, you know. Alright, y'all, so here we go. We're gonna start in this room. Let me show y'all the kitchen.
these niggas lying to my face, say they for the team. I keep 'em around my waist, I let it sing. Niggas try to
Paint the kitchen. Oh, a little bit. So this not paint, this primer. Oh crap, hold on. Let me turn off this so I don't get copyrighted. My bad, y'all. I have to make sure I ain't get copyrighted, but so we did in the kitchen. Looking good. Yes, sir. I forgot the light. But yeah, let me show you the job that we did. So the kitchen was really, really good, man. They did their thing here, y'all. Gotta give it up to them. Corona. So this how I look with the lights on, guys. Shout out to Dirk, man. Y'all see the progress. Say shout out to Dirk. Give him your number, man. Just in case they want to call you and get some work done.
All right. 777-9311.
Boy, you lie!
Yo, so shout out to Dirk, man. This definitely make a big difference. It add a whole lot of light to the kitchen, man. So yeah, definitely dope. Appreciate you, Dirk, coming through and hooking us up, man. All right, so YouTube, this the color that we went with in our room, man. Came out really, really good looking. It's like a really light color. So yeah, definitely stay tuned, man. And of course, you guys already had the opportunity to see the kitchen. Now I'm working on this one, which is coming along. All right, before I head out, man, I just want to say I appreciate y'all for watching my YouTube videos. Staying tuned, man. You know, we almost there, y'all. We almost there. We got a lot more days ahead of us to finish up the house. Okay? This will be vlog number 2 of the house. So yeah, definitely stay tuned. Next video, I got a surprise for y'all. I got some that's gonna be in the kitchen, something new. So yeah, stay tuned though. Appreciate y'all for watching, following me, man. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Peace.
But I push the foreign and the colors down, stay pedal to the flooring. 800 for the Gucci's, you can keep the Jordans. Ace Boogie, cause you know I like my bitches boring. Final notice in the mail, they cutting off the gas. Got tired of seeing mama struggle.